This is the Auto Water DrinkIt by Armstrong Academy, a machine that senses when your plant is parched and gives it a drink. Like with many of my projects, I designed this machine on Fusion 360 and 3D printed what I could. I bought the rest of the hardware like solenoid valves, an LCD screen and other electrical components and wired them up to an Arduino Nano. I then wrote a few test codes, and once I was happy that everything was working, I put it all together and ended up with this. It works in the following way. In the top section of the box is a solenoid valve with one end attached to a water source and the other to a plant bed. When the valve is open, the plant gets watered. When it isn't, it doesn't. A moisture sensor which is pushed into the soil sends information to the Arduino. As you can see, the moistness of the soil is displayed on the home screen. It is currently at 80%. The user can turn the potentiometer to change the screen. If the user presses the button on the next screen, the moisture limit can be set. If the moisture reading drops below this level, the valve will open. As an example, let's set it to 75%. On the next screen, the user can decide how long the valve should stay open. This will depend on the size of the plant pot, the type of plant, and the water source. As we don't want to wait all day for the moisture level to drop for this example, I will pull the moisture sensor out from the soil to force the level to drop. When it drops below 70%, the valve will open for the determined amount of time. The machine now goes into soaking mode for a few hours to prevent false readings which could lead to the plant getting overwatered. I ended up using this project in Washington High School with my grade 12 design and technology students. Here they are following the wiring diagram and putting this together. They also designed and 3D printed their own logos. One of the groups agonizingly traced the Armstrong Academy logo designed by Tom J. Newell and printed it out. Nicely done. If you enjoyed this and feel like it's something you would like to do at home, hold tight. I'm in the process of developing home kits with video lessons that people can work on at their own pace. Feel free to comment or ask questions. Bye!